Hey folks, I want to tell you about a fantastic popping website that you're absolutely going to love. It's called worldsgreatestmedical.com, and this website showcases some of the best dermatologists, doctors, and nurse practitioners from all around the web. It focuses on the original videos by the original posters embedded for your easy viewing pleasure. That means the original posters still get all the credit, they still get all the ad revenue, but you have a convenient source for finding your favorite pimple pops on the internet. Yeah, we go through every single day, find the best new popping videos so you don't have to search for it, and you get them all in one location. So just go to worldsgreatestmedical.com, check out all those latest medical videos, compilations, and things of the sort. Come back every single day, watch 2 or 3 videos, join in on our commentary, and you're going to love it. All right, folks, what are you waiting for? Please visit worldsgreatestmedical.com.
Hey folks, get rid of those blemishes like a pro with this 7-piece pimple popping kit. It has high quality, full-size tools, a variety of specialized ends including a lancet, and a handy case for easy storage and travel. See the Amazon link below, it ships quickly from the USA.